Imagine stepping into your garden, not just to pick a handful of greens or herbs, but to harvest real, substantial protein. Not from livestock, not from supermarkets or expensive supplements, but directly from plants growing in your own soil. And here's what most people don't realize. When you compare them properly, gram for gram, certain plant foods can match or even exceed the protein content of beef. And they do it without requiring pasture, massive water inputs, or years of waiting. They grow in simple garden beds, containers, and backyards. In this guide, we're exploring 8 powerful plant foods that deliver serious protein. Some grow quickly. Some have supported civilizations for thousands of years. Some thrive in poor conditions. And a few have the potential to completely reshape how you think about food independence and long-term sustainability. Let's begin. 1. Lentils. Lentils are among the most efficient protein-producing crops humans have ever cultivated, and their value goes far beyond a simple number on a label. When you compare them fairly, especially in terms of calories, they often rival or even outperform beef as a protein source. A single cup of cooked lentils delivers around 18 grams of protein, but what truly sets them apart is how that protein functions in the body. Unlike beef, which comes with saturated fats and cholesterol, lentils provide protein alongside complex carbohydrates and a high amount of dietary fiber. This combination slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and delivers steady, long-lasting energy rather than rapid spikes and crashes. Lentils don't just support muscle, they help regulate metabolism, improve digestion, and sustain performance over time. Their nutritional profile is equally strong. Lentils contain iron, folate, magnesium, potassium, and zinc, key minerals involved in oxygen transport, muscle function, nerve signaling, and cellular repair. Folate, in particular, plays a major role in DNA formation and recovery, making lentils especially valuable for active individuals, pregnant women, and anyone under physical or mental strain. Historically, lentils have been a foundational food for thousands of years. Ancient societies didn't treat them as a backup. They relied on them as a primary source of strength. Roman soldiers used lentils for endurance, while entire culinary traditions in regions like India were built around their ability to sustain energy and health over time. In the kitchen, lentils are extremely flexible. Red lentils cook quickly and break down into smooth textures, making them perfect for soups and stews. Green and brown lentils hold their shape, making them excellent substitutes for ground meat and sauces and fillings. Black lentils offer a firmer, richer texture suited for salads and hearty dishes. When protein is evaluated properly, taking into account digestibility, calories, and long-term effects, lentils consistently come out ahead. They deliver usable protein without inflammation, without oxidative stress, and without the cardiovascular concerns associated with frequent red meat consumption. They don't just build muscle, they support the entire system behind it. 2. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are one of the most respected plant-based protein sources across the world. For thousands of years, cultures throughout the Middle East, Mediterranean, North Africa, and South Asia have relied on them. Not by coincidence, but because they provide consistent, reliable nutrition. A cup of cooked chickpeas contains around 15 grams of protein, but like lentils, their true strength lies in efficiency. When adjusted for calorie intake, chickpeas can outperform beef while offering additional benefits that animal protein cannot provide. They are rich in fiber, slow-digesting carbohydrates, and compounds that support heart and metabolic health. Chickpeas also play an important role in forming complete proteins. On their own, most plant foods lack one or more essential amino acids. But when chickpeas are combined with grains like rice, wheat, or corn, they create a complete protein profile. This pairing isn't new. It's something cultures have naturally developed over time. Meals like hummus with bread or chickpea curry with rice are not just traditional, they're nutritionally optimized. Beyond protein, chickpeas actively support overall health. Their fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria, improving digestion and reducing inflammation. Regular consumption has been linked to lower cholesterol, improved insulin sensitivity, and better cardiovascular health. Unlike beef, which can increase inflammatory markers when eaten frequently, chickpeas tend to support a more balanced internal environment. They also provide essential nutrients like iron, manganese, phosphorus, and B vitamins, all of which support energy production and nervous system function. Their low glycemic impact makes them especially useful for maintaining stable energy levels throughout the day. In terms of use, chickpeas are incredibly versatile. They can be roasted into crunchy snacks, blended into spreads, formed into patties, or cooked into rich, satisfying dishes. Their mild flavor allows them to absorb spices easily, making them adaptable to many different cuisines. When you evaluate protein not just by quantity but by how it affects the body over time, chickpeas stand out clearly. They support muscle growth while protecting the heart, stabilize energy, improve digestion, and provide strength without the long-term costs often associated with animal-based protein. In the bigger picture, chickpeas highlight an important truth. Protein doesn't need to come from animals to be complete, effective, and sustaining. In many cases, it performs even better when it doesn't. 3. Black beans. Black beans may look simple, but their nutritional impact is anything but. A single cooked cup delivers about 15 grams of protein, yet that number alone doesn't fully reflect their true value. When you evaluate protein based on calories rather than portion size, black beans consistently stand out, providing strong nutritional returns without unnecessary excess. One of the biggest differences between black beans and animal protein lies in fiber. Beef contains none, while black beans are loaded with it. This fiber plays a critical role in feeding beneficial gut bacteria, improving nutrient absorption, stabilizing blood sugar, and promoting long-lasting satiety. As a result, energy levels remain steady, cravings are reduced, and digestion becomes more efficient, benefits that animal protein alone cannot deliver. Black beans are also rich in anthocyanins, the same powerful antioxidants found in dark berries. These compounds are responsible for their deep color, but more importantly, they help protect cells from oxidative damage, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. This makes black beans unique. They provide protein while simultaneously acting as a protective food at the cellular level. From a mineral standpoint, black beans supply iron for oxygen transport, zinc for immune and hormonal balance, potassium for proper nerve and muscle function, and magnesium for metabolic stability. These nutrients are released gradually, allowing the body to use them efficiently without sudden spikes or drops. Historically, black beans have served as a primary protein source across Latin America. This wasn't due to a lack of meat, but because beans proved dependable, affordable, and supportive of long-term health. Entire cultures built strength and endurance on combinations of beans and grains, a practice that modern science now fully supports. Unlike beef, which may increase inflammation when consumed frequently, black beans contribute to lowering cholesterol, improving insulin sensitivity, and supporting cardiovascular health. They don't just add protein, they improve the entire nutritional balance of a meal. In the kitchen, black beans are incredibly versatile. They can be simmered into hearty stews, mashed into spreads, blended into sauces, or added whole to salads and grain bowls. Their ability to absorb flavor makes them adaptable across cuisines, while their dense texture provides a satisfying, substantial feel. Black beans don't try to imitate meat, they surpass it in functionality and long-term benefits. 4. Quinoa. Quinoa may resemble a grain, but nutritionally it functions more like a highly efficient protein seed. A cooked cup contains around 8 grams of protein, which may appear modest at first glance. However, when you consider calorie efficiency, digestibility, and amino acid composition, quinoa becomes a standout protein source. One of quinoa's most important qualities is that it is a complete protein. It contains all 9 essential amino acids in proportions well suited for muscle repair and growth. While beef also provides complete protein, it comes with saturated fat and cholesterol, creating potential drawbacks. Quinoa, in contrast, delivers protein in a cleaner, more balanced form. Beyond protein, quinoa is packed with important nutrients. It provides magnesium for muscle and nerve function, manganese for antioxidant protection, phosphorus for bone strength, and complex carbohydrates that deliver sustained energy. This combination makes quinoa particularly valuable for active individuals and anyone focused on long-term energy balance. Its carbohydrate content is actually one of its strengths. These slow-digesting carbs replenish glycogen stores, supporting muscle recovery and ongoing performance without the inflammatory effects often linked to heavy meat consumption. This is why quinoa is commonly used in endurance-focused diets. Another advantage is digestibility. Quinoa is easy for the body to break down and absorb, making it gentler on the digestive system compared to dense animal protein. It provides fuel without heaviness, sluggishness, or metabolic strain. Historically, quinoa was considered a vital crop by ancient Andean civilizations. It sustained people living in harsh environments where strength and endurance were essential for survival. Its reputation wasn't based on luxury, it was based on performance and reliability. In modern terms, quinoa represents a shift in how we define high-quality protein. It shows that effective nutrition doesn't depend on excess, but on balance, delivering strength, recovery, and sustained energy in a clean, efficient form. 5. Edamame. Edamame, young, vibrant green soybeans, are among the most protein-rich whole plant foods available. One cooked cup typically provides around 18 to 19 grams of protein, placing it on par with beef. And when you evaluate protein relative to calorie intake rather than portion size, edamame often comes out ahead. What truly sets edamame apart isn't just the quantity of protein, but how effectively the body can use it. Soy protein is one of the most studied plant proteins in nutrition science, with strong evidence showing its ability to support muscle growth, maintain bone density, and promote long-term metabolic health. Unlike many animal-based proteins, it delivers these benefits without raising cholesterol or placing extra strain on the cardiovascular system. Edamame also brings a wide range of supporting nutrients that animal protein lacks. Its fiber content improves digestion, nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, and slows nutrient absorption, helping stabilize blood sugar and maintain steady energy levels. Folate supports DNA repair and cell regeneration. Iron enhances oxygen transport and endurance, while magnesium and potassium contribute to proper muscle and nerve function. A standout feature of edamame is its high concentration of isoflavones, plant compounds with strong antioxidant properties. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress, support hormonal balance, and contribute to heart health. Instead of promoting inflammation, edamame helps reduce it, creating a more efficient internal environment for recovery and growth. Unlike heavily processed soy products, whole edamame remains close to its natural state. Its structure allows the digestive system to process it easily, enabling smooth absorption of amino acids without heaviness or fatigue. It provides fuel and recovery support without the metabolic burden often associated with dense animal protein meals. When viewed through the lens of efficiency, protein per calorie, digestibility, and overall health impact, edamame stands out clearly. It offers muscle-building nutrients, stable energy, and long-term health benefits in a simple, whole food. It's clean, effective nutrition designed to work in harmony with the body. 6. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds may be small in size, but their nutritional value is exceptionally high. Just 3 tablespoons provide around 10 grams of protein, and most of that protein is highly digestible and readily used by the body. When you factor in calories, hemp seeds deliver more usable protein than beef, without the inflammatory drawbacks. What makes hemp protein especially unique is its structure. It contains all essential amino acids, qualifying it as a complete protein. More importantly, it is rich in edestan and albumin, proteins that closely resemble those found in human blood plasma. This similarity allows the body to absorb and utilize them efficiently, with minimal energy spent on digestion and very little waste. Beyond protein, hemp seeds provide a near-ideal balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. This balance is crucial for reducing inflammation, supporting brain health, and maintaining cardiovascular function. While many animal fats can contribute to oxidative stress, the fats in hemp seeds actively help counteract it. They are also rich in essential minerals such as magnesium, iron, zinc, and other trace elements that support muscle recovery, immune function, and hormonal balance. This makes them particularly valuable for active individuals and anyone seeking efficient, nutrient-dense foods without digestive strain. Another major advantage of hemp seeds is their simplicity. They require no soaking, cooking, or preparation. They can be added instantly to meals, sprinkled over salads, blended into smoothies, mixed into oatmeal, or combined with vegetables, improving both protein quality and overall nutrition effortlessly. Unlike beef, which requires significant energy to digest and may contribute to inflammation, Hemp seeds integrate smoothly into the body's systems. They deliver protein, healthy fats, fiber, and minerals together, working in harmony rather than creating stress. Hemp seeds demonstrate an important principle. True protein strength isn't defined by size or origin, but by bioavailability, balance, and how efficiently the body can convert nutrients into function. And in that comparison, these small seeds quietly outperform one of the most recognized protein sources in the world. 7. Chia seeds. Chia seeds don't immediately look like a serious source of protein, and that's exactly what makes them so surprising. These tiny black and white seeds may seem modest, but when you compare them properly, especially in terms of protein per calorie, they can rival or even exceed beef. Their real advantage isn't size, but density. Even a small serving delivers a highly concentrated mix of nutrients. Plant-based protein, significant amounts of soluble fiber, calcium for bone health, magnesium for muscle function, and omega-3 fatty acids that support the brain and reduce inflammation. Very few foods combine this many essential elements in such a compact form, and even fewer do it as efficiently. One of chia's standout features is its fiber content. When these seeds absorb liquid, they form a gel-like consistency that slows digestion considerably. This allows protein and other nutrients to be released gradually into the bloodstream instead of all at once. The result is a steady supply of amino acids, more stable blood sugar levels, and sustained energy rather than short-lived spikes. This slow release effect explains why chia seeds were so highly valued in ancient Mesoamerican cultures. Both Aztec and Maya warriors relied on them as a source of endurance during long journeys and physical exertion. Historical accounts suggest that even a small amount could sustain energy for extended periods, not as myth, but as an early understanding of nutrient density and metabolic efficiency. Chia seeds also contribute to hydration. They can absorb many times their weight in water, helping maintain fluid balance during activity. This makes them not just a protein source, but a functional food that supports performance and endurance. Unlike beef, which requires significant energy to digest and can divert resources away from performance, chia seeds work with the body. They support muscles while helping protect joints, blood vessels, and metabolic balance. In simple terms, they provide nourishment without unnecessary strain. 8. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are often underestimated, but nutritionally they are incredibly powerful. Frequently seen as a seasonal snack, they are actually a dense, mineral-rich food that can rival, and in many cases outperform, beef when protein is measured per calorie. Just 1 ounce provides about 7 grams of protein, most of which is highly bioavailable. What truly distinguishes pumpkin seeds is the combination of protein with essential minerals. They are particularly rich in zinc, which supports immune function, hormone balance, and muscle recovery. Magnesium plays a key role in muscle contraction, nerve communication, and energy production, while iron helps deliver oxygen to working muscles. Together, these nutrients create an optimal environment for strength and endurance. For a plant-based protein, pumpkin seeds are especially supportive of muscle health. Their amino acid profile combined with their mineral content makes them valuable for athletes, active individuals, and anyone focused on recovery and long-term performance. This isn't just protein for building tissue, it's nutrition that supports the entire system behind it. They also contain antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress, particularly during periods of physical or metabolic strain. This is a key difference from red meat, which can increase oxidative stress when consumed frequently. Historically, pumpkin seeds were far more than a simple snack. Indigenous cultures valued them as a source of strength, endurance, and overall vitality. They were used during long journeys and periods of heavy labor, long before modern science explained their benefits. Today, research continues to confirm that pumpkin seeds are one of the most efficient plant-based protein sources available, compact, nutrient-dense, and highly supportive of overall health. They don't try to imitate animal protein. They outperform it through efficiency, balance, and versatility.